What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Goofy. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his snout. So I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and another one in front of that, and another one slightly longer to the tip of the snout, and that's where his nose is. So I'm gonna draw an oval shape at that point right there, and I'm gonna fill it in with black color. And at the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and for the top of the mouth on the right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side, and I'm gonna turn it to the bottom of the nose right there, and from this middle point of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line back to the side of his face right there, and I'm gonna draw a bracket at the corner of the mouth like that, and at the side of the eye here, I'm gonna draw his cheek with a curved line to the left and a semicircle turn downwards, and I'm gonna make a turn down and then in front. From this point, I'm gonna make a curved line up and stop there, and I'm gonna add below his mouth here a rectangular shape like that, and another one at this side, and a curved line at this corner right there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape from the cheek up and then back down to the center right there, and then the other oval shape at this corner down to the front right there. And above the eye, I'm gonna trace the line across like that, and behind the head shape, I'm gonna draw a circular line to the back of his head right there. And then for his nose, for his ears, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to the side and to the back. Then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back right there to the head, and I'm gonna continue the line of the head to the side of the cheek right there. Now at the side of the cheek, I'm gonna draw his right ear with the same shape to the back right there. Now inside his eye, I'm gonna add an oval shape at this corner right there, and another one at this point, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And on top of his head, I'm gonna draw his head with a curved line up on both sides and a curved line at the side. Then I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and we're gonna continue the line at the side and the top section right there, and a curved line at the side this time it's bigger, and to the center. Same goes to this side, to the center, and a curved line in the center like there. And I'm gonna draw 3 strands of hair at this point right here with a curved line. And then for his neck, from the cheek, below the cheek, I'm gonna draw a curved line there, and another one for the front part. And at the base, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and then at the sides, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line, and another one below the front. And now from this point, I'm gonna draw his shoulder with a curved line to the side and turn it slightly down and then back up at the shoulder, at the elbow, and back down at the side. And at that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And then for the inner line of the arms, I'm gonna turn it up and back to that point right there. And I'm gonna add a few curved lines at this point. At the side of the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and then another curved line below that, and across a curved line. Then the hand, after the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a line down on the sides and a curved line below that, and surrounding the wrist, I'm gonna draw a circle. Now for his fingers on the right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and down and back to the side. And from this side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and sideways to the center of the hand, and another curved line and another curved line, and I'm gonna extend it up to the side. And then in the middle of the glove, I'm gonna draw 3 curved lines. Now for his shirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line below the arms here, and a curved line from this point up to the shoulder right there, and off to the side, I'm gonna draw another line down. And I'm gonna continue the line at the side of his body there, down, and from the back, I'm gonna draw a line to the side and down, and sharp turn back up to the side, and slightly inwards and back up to the arms. Now in front, I'm gonna add a curved line down at this point, and another curved line here. And then at this point, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and extend it outwards and back with a semicircle up. And then for this corner, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn to the side, extend it upwards, and a semicircle turn back out, and a semicircle turn back in at that corner. And for the finger in the middle, I'm going to draw a curved line there, and a semicircle turn at the base right there, and another similar shape at this corner. Then I'm going to make a semicircle turn there, and a bracket at the side. Now around his wrist, I'm gonna draw a circle right there, At the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line and another curved line right there for the sleeve, and a circular shape around the sleeve and stop there. And I'm gonna make another circle from here surrounding the sleeve again, and a short curved line at this point. And then from this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and back in towards the glove right there, and a curved line at this point. And I'm gonna continue that line in towards the shoulder and turn it down right there. Now going back to his shirt, I'm gonna extend this line out, and then I'm gonna draw a line from this point downwards right there, and at the lower point I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side here and turn it down and back up on the right side there. And then at the side I'm gonna add a semicircular turn and another one below that, and I'm gonna trace the same line across right there to the side. Now for the vest, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from that point and then make a turn down and back out and turn it upwards. Now going downwards at the side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line down and then make a semicircular turn to the front. Then from the front I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down right there, and from this point I'm gonna draw the inner line of the pants all the way to the front right there. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn to the right and a curved line across for the lower line of the pants and another line above that. And here I'm going to add a curved line all the way to the shoe, and from the front here from this point here in front, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and I'm gonna make a semicircular turn back down to the front, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the side and back down, and I'm gonna make a semicircular turn to the side and up, and I'm gonna turn it to that point right there, and I'm gonna branch it out to the left as well, and at the bottom point I'm gonna draw a curved line going up, and I'm gonna do a similar shape and turn it at this point right there. And for his heel, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down and turn it sideways with a semicircular turn. And for the top of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the back and extend it to the front right there. And I'm just gonna extend the leg all the way to the shoes. Now for the back part, I'm gonna continue this line down, and for the back, a curved line there, Then I'm gonna draw across a curved line and another curved line right there. And then this side I'm gonna draw another curved line down, and at the base I'm gonna draw across a curved line and an oval shape surrounding the base right there. And then at the back here I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and turn it to the front all the way to the tip of the shoes, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the tip and turn it back to the base right there. And in front I'm gonna add two lines, two curved lines right there, and at the heels I'm gonna add a semicircle point here and extend it to that point. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!